Oh, good morning, good morning. This bad Beto G back with another one. Um, I got a lot of stuff to open, so let's get to it. This is season 1. I hate when they make it look like it's selectable. Wait, that one looked like it was. It's crazy. That's a nice demo. Okay, we got 5 of these. I guess. Cool. This is Clan Wars. Alright, we already got Ronin. Give me this one. Or this one. Whoa. Now they want to give me all the Ronins when I already got them. Power in numbers, strong guys. What is this? Oh, I already got that guy. Alright. 13. How do I get 13? What's going on? There we go. Camo crates. That's what I need. Max it out. It's not bad. There we go. That looks like everything. But while we have y'all here, something happened. Where do I go to? Definitely not that. Alright, so we gotta go. Somehow I got this shotgun. It says first on it or whatever. I don't know what this is. This is a prestige. I don't even know how I got this. They gave it to me. I didn't buy it or nothing. They gave it to me. I think it was because I bought. Because they showed this gun. They showed this gun. Then they showed that mythic character. And then I used my 50% off. And I spun. And I only had to spend 60 tokens. So I just spun it. And they gave me this gun right off the bat. This cat club gun. Yeah. So got a few new legendaries. And one's prestige. That's awesome. I gotta look that up, see what that means. See if they even supposed to have tracer rounds. I don't know. Did it tell you? I guess not. Wait, let's see the details. No. Alright. We'll figure it out. But I be told G, we out of there for now.